Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, you guys, I want to talk to you guys about the Pedal 1 credit card, and I also want to talk to you guys about the Pedal 2 credit card. Now, when it comes down to getting either of these credit cards, you can get approved up to $10,000 with the Pedal 2 and up to $5,000 if you guys are getting a Pedal 1 credit card. So that's a high limit that you guys can get. And listen, they're not even going to do a hard pull on your credit. They're just going to do a soft pull on your credit, and they're going to look and see like what's your bank history like. So it's kind of like the 2 credit card where they want to look at your bank history. If you've been doing good, you getting deposits in your accounts, you don't have overdraft fees, then most likely you're going to get approved for this credit card. But you want to make sure that you have at least a 550 credit score minimum, and you want to make sure that you haven't had a bankruptcy in the last 4 years. So for those people that's trying to build credit, they just had a bankruptcy or whatever the case may be, and it's actually been less than 4 years, I don't suggest that you guys actually apply for this credit card. But please look into the 2 credit card. I told you guys about that credit card before. You can get approved up to $10,000 for that credit card, so definitely go ahead and apply for that 2 credit card, because they won't have that bankruptcy restriction because they don't check your credit at all. Now, for you to apply for this credit card, all you have to do is go to their website, and then you have to just see if they can get you pre-approved first. So instead of just getting a hard inquiry right away, you're going to actually get a soft inquiry. So they're going to check your credit, they're going to do a soft pull, and then they're going to look into your bank history and see how you've been doing in terms of your banking history. Now, they're going to ask for your phone number, and then they're going to actually send you an application. It's similar to like the 2 credit card. To me, they're so much alike. So if you guys apply for the 2 credit card, I applied for the 2 credit card, I got approved for the 2 credit card. But if you guys did that also, then you know that you applied first, then you actually got a text message letting you know the application was ready, and then you went to their website through your email. They let you know, hey, we just sent your email with the application. You check your email, then you did the application that way. So it's somewhat similar to that, you guys, but you should be able to know right away whether or not you approve for this credit card. It shouldn't be a waiting list at all. Such as like the 2 credit card, there was a waiting list with that credit card, but with this credit card, there shouldn't be a waiting list. You should be able to do it right away. Now, with the 2 credit card, I got some complaints from people saying, oh, I never got my card. I actually got my card in the mail. I didn't just open up my card right away. I didn't recognize it. It just came like in a blank. It just came like in a blank envelope. It's kind of more of like a it's like a postcard. It comes similar to like a little bigger than like a postcard, but you open that up and it's like, hey, it's your 2 credit card, and it's actually a colorful credit card. So just make sure when you apply for this credit card, you look. Don't just think that it's going to say, hey, it's your new Pedal credit card. Understand that it may come in a different package. Now, if you guys are having problems getting approved for this credit card, just let me know.